That's right, welcome back to the $0 to $10,000 Fix and Flip Challenge, Part 6. When we started, we had absolutely zero. I used a pickup truck to get some free Craigslist lawnmowers, fixed them up, sold them, put that money into something else, fixed that, sold that, fixed another thing, sold that, kept doing that over and over and over and over and over. You are now at Part 6, where we have picked up a 2002 Subaru WRX with a flat 4 turbocharged engine. When I first got this, it did not have a transmission. Minor hiccup, we got another one. We put that in there. We fixed the interior. We put everything back together. And now she runs, she drives, she rips. But she needs a, she needs a dress for the ball. And right now, it looks like she just got into like a bar fight. I've already sanded off all the clear coat that was peeling and flaking off, and we just now have to give it a deep clean, tape it off, spray it, gloss it, clear coat. I've got actual automotive paint. We're not doing any rattle can BS on this one, okay? This is nice stuff. We're gonna go, use a compressor. We're gonna class it up, okay? So, follow along, stick around. We're gonna get this old girl dolled up and we're gonna flip it, try to get closer to our 10K goal. And we might even get it in this episode. We might, potentially, probably. All right. Well, we've got it all taped off and now I need newspaper to cover all the glass because it's a lot of space and I don't have the paper. So let's go get a newspaper on the scooters. Oh, that thing. Finish up this tape job. All right, we got it all taped off, papered off, and yeah, we'll kick back in tomorrow, get some primer down, and start spraying this thing. See you tomorrow. Well, we ran into a bit of a hiccup with some rain coming through again and destroying all of the newspaper that we put. But, all of this edging tape is still good, so I'm just gonna redo all the newspaper and keep going. Sometimes you gotta get back up after you get knocked down. It's the way it goes. Camera died for most of the base coat spray, but yeah, it came out all right. A little patchy and had some water come through the line at one point, unfortunately, but I'm hoping the clear coat can cohesivize the rest of it for me, because I'm an amateur and I'm hoping that it doesn't look all the work. I am noticing like where there were dents that I didn't realize and stuff like that. But hey, you know, better than it was. Let's get some clear coat. Well, I messed up. I didn't realize, but there's a different color on this car than the original paint code. So when I had the paint shop mix up the original paint code and I sprayed it over, it's two different colors. So what should have been an easy blend into the original is just a harsh transition. You can see it in different zones where I didn't paint the entire doors. Now, it's not the biggest deal. I could go mix up more of the original color and I could just paint the doors. It's fine. But I kind of want to use this mess up as an opportunity. None of you guys know this, but I'm actually an artist. I am a painter. I've been a painter my whole life. I've only painted little stuff on cars. I've never painted a whole car other than like one color like this. And I kind of want to do something fun and cool and different. I've seen a lot of guys that are doing wild paint jobs on cars. I'm jealous, I'm envious, I wanna try. So I'm gonna sand down the clear coat and go ham on this thing. Let's take a risk. So nervous. I think it's going pretty well. Pretty sick. Definitely can't tell that the doors were a different color anymore. All right, I want to do a few little touch-ups, maybe a little like special tricks and stuff like that with some crumpled paper and cans, and try to make it a little bit less than just handwork. And yeah, but I'm stoked. I think it's coming along great. Dude, you guys, what? I am so excited about how this came out. It looks like it's going fast. We took the risk and it paid off. This thing looks so sick. I'm really excited about how it came out. It's on tone with the background of silver. I used only grayscale. That means like from black to white, no reds, greens, blues, yellows. It's just silvers, whites, and blacks. And I had so much fun painting this thing. It was actually a blast to just be throwing spray paints around, literally throwing it at certain times. And I think it's cool. You know, it's different, it's unique. I think the person who's gonna end up living with this car is gonna love this type of paint job. I love it already. Honestly, for a first time doing a wild paint job on a car, I think it came out pretty good. Let's just think back to where we started with this thing. It was missing a transmission, had a trunk full of random parts. The driveline was totally out of it, no CV axles. It was missing so much. In addition to needing a paint job, mechanically it was in pieces. And now it's ripping, it's running, it's driving, it sounds good, it looks good, the interior is comfortable, and the exterior has a sick paint job. I've fixed everything that this Subaru needed. And now it's back on the road. It looks cool, it drives good. I'm stoked. That's the kind of stuff that I really enjoy, is taking something that just needs some elbow grease, a whole lot of love, a little bit of an investment, and getting it back on the road, making something out of nothing. This thing easily could have been sent to the scrapyard or somebody could have pulled the motor, but instead now it's back on the road. For some new owner to be pulling on the turbo and ripping around town, now I'm gonna be able to recognize this car anytime I see it driving on the road and know that's the WRX that I painted. To give you guys a recap on the 10K challenge, we have this many dollars, we have this WRX, we still have the other two cars. The Nissan Frontier, turns out it needs a crankshaft pulley, and that's in the mail. That's not supposed to be like that. I also got some new front shocks for it as well. The Sentra is just kind of a beater old car, and so nobody's bought it yet, but that will sell eventually. I think with the three cars that we have, the Nissan needing just a little bit more work, the next episode will probably be the last one. I appreciate you guys commenting, subscribing, watching, doing all the things, hitting all the buttons. We made it to 5K followers. That's super cool. We'll see you on the next one.